Welcome back to the channel, guys. I have this massive box that was sent to me by Afnan. Shout out to Afnan for sending these fragrances over. I have to assume there's more than one in here, so let's do an unboxing. Afnan reached out to me a while back. I want to say back in the end of last year, wanting to send me a couple things, and I told them they could do that. And one thing that I'm fully transparent about is when a company reaches out to me. Now, Afnan, I've tried their fragrances before. I own their fragrances. So there is some understanding there that I actually enjoy Afnan fragrances. But I also make sure to let companies know that I'm not obligated to give a positive review based on the fact that they sent me something. So sometimes that works in my favor, and they're cool about it, and they say, absolutely, be honest, tell us what you think. And then you have other companies that have a script and want you to say things, and I will not do that. So just hit my head on my mic. Okay. I like the packaging. Hold on. Wow. This is cool. All right. Let me get this box out of here. Sorry, guys. It's kind of a small space I'm in. Move this over here. Well, hit the camera. Okay. There we go. You're not going to see a lot of editing today. All right. Here you have the box. I like it. It's gift wrapped. So I'm not sure what's in here. I had mentioned a couple fragrances to them that I wanted to try, and mainly based on your guys' recommendations, fragrances that you guys have mentioned before in the comments and that type of thing. I always go with what you guys think. So see how you open this. Okay. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. Oh, this is cool. All right. So you open it up. Welcome to Afnan International Reviewers Club. Very cool. I like that. You got this kind of gift bag in there with a couple fragrances. So I like it. Little Afnan sort of gift bag. Nice. And 2 fragrances. Sweet. All right. What do we have? Okay. We got 9 p.m. So that is one that I had suggested they send because you guys obviously ask my opinion on this one quite often, and I haven't smelled it. So we are going to try that. I did try a 9 p.m., but I don't think it, I'm sorry. I did try. I don't remember if it was 9 p.m. Well, and yes, Turathi Blue. Turathi Blue. So now I can do a proper comparison video to some of my other Bulgari Tiger inspired buys. So obviously 9 p.m. inspired by, I want to say, JPG's Ultramal and Bulgari Tiger here. So forget about those other fragrances. We're going to try these today and see what I pick up, see if I like them. Where should I start? Let's do the 9 p.m. first. Let's just bust this open. And yeah, this one, I know that a lot of you guys love this one. It's your preferred inspired by and gets a lot of hype. So nice heavy bottle. Wow. I like it. Really nice heavy bottle here and thick glass. So that's pretty cool. Wow. Heavy cap too. This thing isn't messing around. All right, let me get my test strips, move my keys. So, actually, you know what? 2 fragrances. I'm going to put these right on skin because I'm not wearing anything today. So let's check the atomizer. Pretty nice atomizer. I like it. Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow. That's, it's funny because every time I smell, I don't own Ultramal, but every time I smell it, I like it. And I have a couple other inspired buys for that fragrance, but yeah, really beautiful scent. Just really fruity. Has that Tonka bean, that powdery vanilla vibe it has here, balancing that sweet fruitiness. There seems to be a little bit of an earthiness to this as well, which I'm not really sure where that's coming from, but I like it. And it's strong. One thing that immediately stands out to me with this is its presence. It's kind of, I did a few sprays in the air and it already feels like it's creating a nice scent bubble, filling the room almost. So really woody, creamy, sweet. Yeah, you can't really go wrong with this scent DNA. It smells fantastic. It's one that it has a fun vibe to it, so it's not too serious. But this is one that I would personally wear a little dressed up. So, obviously date night, things to that nature. But this is also a nice daytime scent. I think if you went a little lighter on the sprays, you could easily wear this to school and even the office. So, yeah, it's just really well done. Really smooth. Smells great. So, yeah, 9 p.m. from Afnan. Now, this one, I will be honest, the Turathi Blue is one that you guys talk about constantly. I see in a lot of rotation lists when you guys drop your rotation. And I don't know what has taken me so long to try this. There's just so much to try, guys. I mean, let's be honest. There is a crazy amount of fragrances to try. So, all right. The box. I should say the 9 p.m. box, pretty basic box. This seems to be a little more, I guess, upscale. So it's not your traditional box. It opens up like that. You got the velvet right here. The bottle sitting in here. Afnan, for the man carrying on a legacy, a man in control of his life, out to achieve his goals, overcoming all hurdles of life to reach success, a scent that speaks volumes about inner strength and magnificent presence. So, not bad. Nice little positive message there. Okay, the cap just popped off. Really heavy cap. So far, the presentations have been awesome. Both Middle Eastern fragrances. Impressed by the just quality of the bottle. So here you have Turathi Blue. And it's funny, usually I'm not a presentation guy. Like if it's a super cheap presentation, I really obviously take into consideration what I paid for it. And it's not that big of a deal to me, but when something is well done, it stands out. Really like the shape of the bottle, obviously it looks sort of like the torso, right? It has that shape, the shoulders down to a tapered waist. And you have this kind of cool cap, nice and heavy. Let's check the atomizer. Decent atomizer. Wow, okay. Yeah, in the air, it smells very clean, soapy. Okay, citrusy, musky, woody. It has a little bit of a twang to it, that Middle Eastern twang. Okay, off of skin, very concentrated grapefruit, bitter citrus. Immediately stands out to me is that this does not smell synthetic, much like the 9 p.m. I don't know why I expected them maybe to have a little syntheticness to them up top, but because usually that's where the synthetic notes stand out the most in more inexpensive fragrances, inspired by fragrances. That's usually what separates them from the original, in my opinion. Those top notes tend to be more synthetic. The citruses, your fruits. But I'm not getting that here. I will say, and this is something that stands out with grapefruit, is sometimes people can pick up like a body odor. I'm not getting that. I don't want to point you in that direction. It says, that this smells like body odor. But it has a muskiness to it that I personally like. So I guess body odor is a bad description of it. It has a very authentic, musky, masculine vibe to it. So where it's very light up top, it's, it has the citrus notes, it has the aromatics, that lavender, it's clean smelling. It definitely carries a musk with it too, adding some masculinity to it, which I really personally love. Yeah, this is one that I think you could wear anytime, anywhere, signature worthy. It's that type of thing. Sorry, guys, my daughter just crashed in here, but I was saying Turathi Blue, definitely signature worthy. This is one that is going to work in every situation. You can dress this up. You can wear this to school, work, wear it casually. It's going to work pretty much anywhere. So yeah, really nice. Let's go back to the 9 p.m. and see how that's changed. Yeah, still really nice. More woods. It's definitely more woody here. But that fruit is there. The earthiness I'm still getting, which I love because it kind of breaks things up a little bit. The vanilla vibes, the Tonka vibes, it's still a little bit powdery. Yeah, I can see why this one is beloved. It's really nice. If you want Ultramile DNA, this is that. And I don't have Ultramile here with me. I can't compare them side by side. But again, I am curious about the longevity, the performance, and I will test it and let you guys know more about that. So let's take a look at the Turathi. And yeah, this hasn't changed much. Definitely signature worthy. Of the two, do I have a favorite? No, to be honest. I think they would serve two different roles for me. The 9 p.m. I would wear more casually out for a night out, maybe date night, out with friends, that type of thing, cooler weather. The Turathi Blue, definitely more signature worthy, everyday wear, office, school, dressed up, that type of thing. So, and this is definitely all seasons. So yeah, would love to know you guys' thoughts on 9 p.m. and Turathi Blue. Are these two fragrances that you enjoy? Drop it in the comment section down below. Shout out Afnan for sending these over to me. I appreciate it. But if you like what you saw today, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.